Hello everyone, I am going to show you how you can stay updated with the real-time notification feature of our Application Lead Manager Ninja for all your messaging channels. For this, you need to first receive a message from a customer. Once the message is received, you can view the messages in your SMS inbox, utility notifications, and push notification as well. On top of all, we also have one more notification feature where you will receive an email for the sent message and the record details. And you also have the option to reply to the message from your email itself. On clicking the reply, you can type the reply and reply to your email. Once you reply to the email, the same reply will be delivered to the end customer as a message. Since the customer reached out on WhatsApp, the message has also been sent by the system on WhatsApp. In case the customer would have messaged you on SMS, the reply would have followed on SMS.